What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. If you've been rocking with me for a while, welcome back. So you guys, today I am going to be making one of my favorite things. I really am trying to cut back from eating so much fast food, but one of the things I love is the Mexican pizza from Taco Bell. I actually can't eat Taco Bell anymore because it's not good for your girl's stomach. I'm just gonna leave that right there. But the Mexican pizza was something that I was just like, I can figure out how to make that. And so I have come up with a copycat version of the Mexican pizza. This is totally something that I just, you know, figured out on my own. I don't know exactly how they make theirs, but this is, you know, my version of it. I was watching another girl's video and people were coming for her in the comments because they were like, whatever she was making, I can't even remember what she was making, but they were like, this is not Mexican. People have their own versions of food. I mean, I am not Hispanic, and you know, I don't know how to make authentic Mexican food, but I know what tastes good to me and what I like. Mexican food is my favorite food, and I just like to create different recipes. There you go. My hair is looking a little crazy right now, you guys, and if you watched my last video, you know why. So please watch my last video. And then my teeth hurt right now, so if I look like I'm having a hard time talking, I just started my rubber bands, as you can see here, and they hurt. So if I look like I'm grimacing in my video, please forgive me. But if you would like to learn how to make these Mexican pizzas, then stay tuned. Okay guys, for this recipe you are going to need some ground beef, and I have 2 pounds here, but I don't think that I'm going to use both of these. I was at first because my family really likes to eat, but I don't think I need this much, so I think I'm going to just use like 1.5 pounds. We'll see. And then you're going to need some enchilada sauce, some red enchilada sauce. You're going to need some refried beans. Of course, you're going to need some corn tortillas. Now, I really think that Taco Bell makes theirs with flour tortillas, but I just wanted to try the corn. I don't know. For whatever reason, I feel like this might be a little healthier. It's probably not, but I want to try it. And then you're going to need some cheese, some tomatoes, and these are optional, but you're going to need some green onions, aka scallions. All right, let's get started. All right, so I have 4 pots going on, you guys. So this is the ground beef. I ended up just using both of them because my family is like very excited and hungry. So I am browning up 2 pounds of ground beef right here. And in this pot in the back, I have the red enchilada sauce. In this one, I have the refried beans that I am splashing all over the place. And here I have the corn tortillas, or flour, whichever one you decide to use. And what I'm doing is I'm just frying up these tortillas. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna lay them over here on this paper towel so it can drain the grease off. So you guys, you can season this this ground beef with one of those like Old El Paso or Ortega taco packets, or you can just season them however you season your taco or your burrito meat. I use garlic salt, a little seasoning salt, pepper, a little cumin, a little chili powder. I'm just going to keep on browning this up, and then I will be back to show you what it looks like when it is all ready. Here's how you fry up the corn tortillas. You want to just take one and just put it in the hot oil, and you want this oil to be really hot, you guys. Just kind of let it roll around, or just roll it around with your fork or spatula for a few seconds. Then you want to just flip it over and let it go for like another 5 to 8 seconds. And that's it. Let it rest over here on this paper towel. I'm gonna keep frying these up, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, so everything is done. The meat is all completed, and you guys, I threw in a can of diced green chilies. That is totally optional, but I just like the way it tastes with in my taco meat. And then here is the enchilada sauce. It just needed to be warmed up a little. And here is the here are the refried beans. Now you guys, both the enchilada sauce and the refried beans, you do not have to warm up before. You don't have to put them in a pot and warm them up, but I just like to make sure everything is nice and warm before I assemble them and, you know, put them in the oven so they can all marry together. I just like to warm them through, but it's definitely not something that you have to do. And then here are the shells I did 6 of them. You need 2 shells for each Mexican pizza. I'm making 3 of them, so I made 6 shells. So I am ready to assemble these, so here we go. While everything was cooking, you guys, I cut up the tomatoes, which we will use on top of the Mexican pizza. These are the 2 optional, well, this is the optional ingredient that I talked about in the beginning, which is green onion. Olives, I just remembered, olives is one of my favorite things, and I'm gonna throw a few on mine. So totally optional. I'm hungry. Let's assemble these Mexican pizzas. All right, you guys, so to assemble these, what you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need your oven. So you wanna preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're gonna put these in the oven for 10 minutes. The first thing you wanna do, I'm only gonna make 2 right now because Jalen is not ready to eat. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little bit of the red sauce and you're gonna put it down on the shell, like so. I like a lot, so I'm gonna put a lot. You're gonna do the same thing with the other one. All right, next you are going to take some refried beans and you're just gonna spread them out. I wash my hands, you guys. You're gonna spread them out on the shell. Spread them out on the shell like so. You're gonna do the same thing over here, and you can put as much as you like, of course. Next, you are going to add your seasoned ground meat. Put as much as you want on there. As much as you want. Put a little bit more on this one. Okay. Now, you are going to put the cheese. So you're going to put cheese on here. Love cheese, so it's going to be generous. Next, you are going to take your other shell and put it on top like this, and then you're going to add some more of the sauce. All right, so you're going to put the enchilada sauce on top like so. Spread it around. Then you are going to put some more cheese. And then you're going to put some tomatoes on top. Now, if you don't want to, you don't have to use the tomatoes. They're definitely optional. The Taco Bell one has tomatoes on it, so that's why I didn't list it as an optional ingredient. But I know that tomatoes is one of those things that not everybody likes. So there you go. And then I'm also going to add on mine, well, actually my husband likes olives too, so I'm going to add some olives. Optional, 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 but I love them. I like a lot of olives, you guys. Olives are so good to me. Okay, olives. And then the last thing is some green onion. And just a little bit more cheese. Oh, you guys, these look so good. All right, you guys, this is what they look like. I'm gonna put these in the oven. I want to put these in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Here's what it looks like on the plate, you guys. I'm gonna cut it up now, and I don't think I am going to try it on camera because, like I said, I just got my rubber bands and my teeth hurt really bad, and I don't want to be looking crazy on camera. So, and here's what it looks like, guys. There you have it, you guys, my Copycat Taco Bell Mexican pizzas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really enjoyed making that video for you. I like making food recipes like this because these are the kind of recipes where you can have your family come in the kitchen with you and help you out, even though those little jerks didn't even come and help me, but they're gonna definitely eat everything. But there's so many like optional ingredients that you can just throw on and make it your own, just like a real pizza. You know, everybody likes different things, so that's one of the reasons why I like this kind of recipe. So thank you again so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.